What's up YouTube, it's your boy Alvin back here with another video, and boy do I have a banger for you today. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make extra $25,000 with $0 spent. One simple change is all it's going to take. See you guys in the video, let's go. Alright guys, so here we are back in the computer, and like I said, how to make an extra $25,000 with zero spend in Shopify Dropshipping. So first off, let me show you kind of what I'm talking about. So this is the shipping for the month of April. We did $25,000 just in shipping costs. That was about 10% of the total sales of that month. So if you look at that, that's $25,000 of pure profit, right? So I don't pay any. There's no cost on that, right? There's no extra Facebook ad cost. There's no product cost. It's just $25,000 straight product cost. So that's the power of this. Right away, that should show you, okay, this is possible. It's crazy how much money you can make with just shipping costs. So like I said, the fastest way to increase your average order value is with shipping costs. There's a stigma going around in e-commerce in general that buyers won't convert if you make them pay for shipping. Obviously, this screenshot shows you that that's not true at all. Like, that's a joke. Shipping costs do work. It's the easiest way to increase your average order value. The problem with dropshipping right now is, Facebook ad costs are getting more and more expensive by the day. There's more competition, as you guys know. And a lot of us sell low ticket products, right? Me included. Sometimes I sell products that are $25 or less. I try to stay away from those, but sometimes you have no option. So when you're selling low ticket products and Facebook ad costs are that expensive, it's really hard to stay profitable. So if you can get an extra $5 or $6 on your shipping costs, think about how much that's going to do for you and your business and how much extra money you can make. Shipping costs are the easiest way to stay profitable with no extra work. So I'm going to give you an example of I'm going to show you, I'm going to go into my own store, show you exactly the shipping costs I use in my own stores. I'm going to give you everything. I'm not going to hold anything back because I want to be as transparent as possible with you guys and show you how to do it so you can make $25,000 possibly in your own stores. And let's go. Let's do it. So here I am in one of my stores, and this is the shipping. So I have two types of shipping. I do domestic shipping, so US shipping and worldwide, and I charge different rates for those. Let me show you. And I'm actually going to show you how to set it up as well. So I call this name domestic, and this is just for the United States, like I said. So I offer free shipping for $100 and up, but for anything below that, I charge a flat rate of $4.94, right? So the reason I do $4.94 is I want to make it seem like an actual shipping cost and not some extra, $9.99, something very standard or traditional. But with $4.94, it actually looks like a shipping cost, right? So that's what I do, and I call US insured shipping. $4.94 also gives the buyer a little more peace of mind that's insured. So $4.94, that's what I do. So to do that, just set the minimum order weight at 0 and maximum at 100, and just make sure when you do your product that it should be at a minimum weight of 0. It should be at a weight of 0 anyway, but just make sure it's at 0 so the shipping cost will show up. So $4.94 is that rate, which I do for the US. And $100 and up for I do free shipping. So that's the US, pretty simple, nothing really there. Let me show you what I do for worldwide. And this is where you can really make a lot of money. So I'm charging almost $7 for worldwide shipping, and that's a good amount of money. So same thing, $100 and up, free shipping for worldwide insured shipping for anything less. So anything less than $100, they're paying me $6.94 per shipping. So just think about it, guys. Like, that's gonna add up. With more orders you do internationally, that's gonna add up to a lot of money. So $6.94, same deal, $6.94, 0 to 100. Make sure the order weight is at 0. It should be, but just ensure it. And that's how you do it. That's $6.94. So yeah, so that's how you can make extra $25,000. So do not buy into the stigma that shipping costs don't work. This couldn't be further from the truth. I'm giving you the proof right here. This is a screenshot, $25,000. Implement shipping costs in your business right now. It's the easiest way you're going to stay profitable, make money, and it's it's just free money, right? You're just pocketing free money. So after this video, go ahead into your business, into your store right now, implement shipping costs, and you're going to reap the results. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you got some value out of that. Let me know what questions you have. Leave that in the comments below. I'm here to help for sure. I answer every single one of those. If you did get some value out of it, please consider giving me a like, a comment, subscribe. I say this in every single one of my videos, and I really do mean this, that I'm here to help you and not the other way around. So if there's anything I can do, any type of videos you're looking to see, whatever you're stuck on, let me know. I'm here to help you, and I'm going to give you my all to do that. So thank you guys for watching again, and I'll see you guys in the next video.